Why do people really go into business? Or perhaps more accurately, why should people really go into business? I've met thousands of people already. Spoke to most of them. One thing that I usually observe during the conversations is identify that core values of why they are doing what they are presently doing, and why they are want to start or create a business. A simple, straightforward reason number one is money. A lot of people want to start a business, thinking that by becoming their own boss will make them extra cash. No other reasons to back it up, but simply to have more of the moolah. The problem with this, when the going gets tough in business, only the tough gets going. The newcomer with money on his hand will diffuse him easily out of business. In short, money is a superficial driver for business and employment. Ask yourself a self-assessment and find out if you are a money-driven entrepreneur. Do I want to go into business because of the money? Nothing more? Will I still do business even I fail and lost money? I heard also that money is in business. Individuals who are in business become rich. Do you think so? Well, for me, it depends. Everybody wants to be successful in life. But be sure, before doing any moves, we have to think about it many times, especially when money is involved. Number two reason is tired of rat race. Have you ever felt of being sick and tired of being sick and tired? Or have you ever experienced going to work with dragging your feet? Do you always say, thank God it's Friday, and then you always hate Mondays? There are those who see themselves burned, underpaid, and wasting from climbing the corporate ladder and serving the never-ending rat race. So they jump up from being an employee to starting their own business. There is nothing wrong with starting your own business when you're tired, taking orders from someone else. Just make sure that there is a humility to learning, because you will be trekking a new and uncharted territory. Because business, just like anything else in the planet, is something that needs to be learned over a period of time. Number three reason is traditions. If you were in a family of entrepreneurs and business, there is a high chance of you doing the family business to continue the family traditions. Sometimes, it's the emotional attachment to the family and business that drives the young generations to press on and continue to live and dream of one day expanding the family business and growing to a huge enterprise. Number four reason is passion. There are those who are talented and skilled individuals, have the burning passion of what they can do. It's burning so hard believing that they can make a business out of it. They think highly of themselves when it comes to their skill or talent, in which they truly are. They are definitely best in their craft, and number one, it comes to producing quality service or product. Since they have the most quality and super product or service, they think people will automatically buy from them. Most people, when they go into business, do so because they believe they will be successful at doing something they are already good at, where they have loads of experience of which is related to their own experience.